Hello everyone, this is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week we are going to be planning the week of September 21st through September 27th. We are almost at the end of September, which I can hardly believe, but alas, here we are. This week I will be planning with a kit from a friend that was given to me. So this is a kit that a friend destashed, and it was actually made by another friend of ours in the local Florida Sunshine State Planners group. And so unfortunately this isn't a kit that you can go ahead and purchase. This week on Tuesday is the first day of fall, so I wanted to use a fall kit, and I wanted to go ahead and use my stash and not use something that was brand new or go ahead and purchase something. And since I had this destashed to me earlier this year, I do want to go ahead and make use of it. I think the colors are perfect for fall and I'm really excited. With that, let's go ahead and get started. There are a ton of date covers in here, so I kind of need to think about which ones I'm going to use, and I'm kind of leaning toward either these white ones or these ones that are kind of like blue and white. I kind of like that because it has a little bit more of the design without being super plain, and it gives me a spot to write the date, so I think I'm going to go with those, only because I don't want there to be, I want the full boxes to kind of be the main color in the spread, so I will go ahead and use these. So this plan with me is already off to a rousing start because I've already gone ahead and put one of the day covers on the wrong day. My brain just went based on where I thought the day of the week should be. I'm not really paying attention to the fact that there are only 7 days in the week. So of course, this is going to be in a different order than just straight across. So my fault. So I kind of bruised the paper there a little bit, but I think it should be okay once it's in the agenda and it's got some pages weighing it down. What is wrong with me? That's not even the right... Get it together, Cynthia. I've had coffee today, so there's no excuse why I'm struggling so hard right now. It's actually the latter part of the day as I'm filming this, so I don't know, maybe it's just that I'm tired. I did go to bed very late last night working, and I got up late this morning, but I basically went to bed at 1 o'clock in the morning yesterday, just trying to get myself out of the weeds with work because I had a lot of stuff thrown my way this week, and I don't want to be constantly having to play catch up when I get back to work next week. So yeah, anyway. Okay, I'll worry about that later. I've got my notes down on the sticky note, and I'm gonna go ahead and put those things in here. Alright, so full boxes are down and all of my functional stickers are down, so I'm just going to go back and fill things in. Sorry, I kind of got off track a little bit, so I had to go grab a bunch of tiny texts for the spread, and then this is a sticker from Adorably Amy Designs, so you can see the color's a little bit different than everything else that's in here, but to me it doesn't look terribly bad because it kind of reminds me of the color that are in these flowers here, so I tried to find a sticker that would match. So funny enough, this sticker actually has 5 items that can be checked off, but since my husband's only on the schedule for 4 days out of the week, I decided to cut off that last part and just make it 4 days. So So just a little idea for you if you're ever struggling, if you've got some other functional stickers that you can make work for your needs because a particular kit maybe doesn't have what it is that you're looking for, that's an idea for you. So I'm gonna jump right back in and keep putting stuff down. This particular kit doesn't have a meal plan sticker, but it does come with a lot of these single, what do you call them, quarter size boxes here, event size stickers. So I'm going to use these to mark every single day what we're planning on having for dinner, and then just do it that way since there isn't a meal plan sticker or weekly sticker. Those are all the things for this week. I've got a ton of stickers left because I actually have duplicates of this sheet. There's 2 of these, and then there are 2 of these. So I have plenty of stickers left. This is of course just the date covers, and then I used every single full box except for this one, only because I don't really love peach all that much, so I tried to steer away from that one. Even though the design on it is really cute, I just don't particularly like peach, so I tried to stay away from that as much as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if there's any washi that I decide I want to put in this spread that may go with it, but if not, I may just leave this as it is and we'll see. So let me just pop out for a quick second, see what I have in my Simply Gilded collection. I'm sure I have something, I just don't know if I want to put washi or not yet. Okay, so I do have this Simply Gilded washi in this yellow tone, and I think this is what I'm gonna go with to kind of bring this yellow to create some balance. I just want to mention my apologies if the lighting in this video, I won't really know until afterward, but if it's really inconsistent, I'm gonna have to adjust for sure just based on how cloudy it is right now. I can tell it probably won't appear so cloudy when you watch this at the end, but it may require me to make other parts of this video. Alright, so that is what the spread looks like. So definitely there's more yellow in here than there was before. Really, that was the only item before, but I think it helps this not stick out as much anymore. It kind of brings it all together. And so I'm going to grab my agenda really quick and put this in so you can see. Okay, so this is what it looks like, a very fall kit in my fall setup. So I like how this looks. It's definitely those fall colors. This is more the warm tones, and then I feel like this side is a little bit more of the cool tones, but I like how it turned out. I'd like to remind everybody that I did post a flip through of my fall setup, and so you can go ahead and check that out. I published it on Friday. If you missed it, you may want to go back and watch it. It's about 20 minutes long. You can definitely bump the playback speed up and get through it a little bit faster. You know, keep the sound off if you just kind of want to watch it as a flip through. I did go ahead and explain some of the sections that I changed out and mentioned all the different sources that I got everything from. So if that's not of interest to you, you can definitely watch it on mute and speed up the playback speed and watch it back that way if you're curious. So I hope you all have a lovely week. I don't know yet if I'll have a video up on Friday or not. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but stay tuned. If I don't have anything on Friday, I'll definitely be back next week unless something crazy happens in life, though I don't anticipate anything happening next Tuesday for another plan with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. To everybody who comes back and watches my videos every single week and subscribes, thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Have a lovely day.